Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another wig review. It's another Janet Collections wig. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I don't know if this is the one before, the one after, I don't know, but I'll leave it linked. Well, I'll try to leave a link right there. Call me out on it if I don't. I just reviewed another Janet Collections wigs. Now, Janet Collections was my first wig ever. My first gray wig was my Chile wig, my Chow wig. And I am on my second wig or my second unit with that, which I like wearing once in a blue. So anyway, today I picked up the Janet Collection Natural Superflow Deep Part Lace Wig. And again, it is in the shade OET1B Silver because I am the gray hair queen after all, whatever. This texture feels totally different than my first Chile wig. This one's way longer. There's a crap ton of shedding. That's one thing I cannot stand with the Janet Collection wigs is that they're shedding. It's like substantial shedding. I haven't even cut lace yet. So apparently it has the invisible deep part lace. Again, the color I have is OET1B Silver. I'll leave a link down below if I like the wig. The last one I didn't even bother leaving a link. I wasn't doing that to you guys. A shit ton of shedding. It does have this hard cutting lace. The cap feels a little bit smaller than the other one. It's got the tracks on it. It has a comb in the back, which I like. 2 combs in the front, and it has a nice kind of L-shaped or slightly C-curved part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, cut the lace, throw this on, and pray for the best because I just had a shitty experience with a wonderful wig. Ooh, okay. Ooh. This lace I would recommend. Ooh, this is cutting into my hair. Okay, this lace feels a lot harder than I'm used to. Ouch. I would definitely recommend wearing a hairband or your hair is going to be shredded. I feel like my skin just got cut, to be honest. I'm having a really bad day with these wigs. She's glam. She's got the glam curls. The curls are nice. I actually like the curl pattern. The color's nice. It does have a little slight shine to it, but it's not off-putting where I can't make it work. Texture on this is a relaxed yaki texture. It's really pretty. It's got a nice density, at least to my liking. I keep pulling hairs out. It's kind of getting a little frustrating, but I'm already a little flustered because of the previous wig. It's turning to turn like separated like the stock card, so you might need to actually like, there you go, like build her up a little bit. I mean, this is kind of like what most people think of me when they see me, kind of like I look like a bitch but cute or whatever. So I'm just gonna move it a little bit more to the left. The hair is kind of getting in my face. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, Janet, what is going on with your units? I mean, she's cute. I'm not liking that this keeps going in. Sometimes I don't like tucking the hair behind my ears. It gives me a headache sometimes. I don't know if that happens to anyone, but it happens to me. I love the density of her. Let me show you guys the back because my camera, again, is acting up. Let me show you guys the back. Again, I don't know what you guys can see until I edit this. This is the hair density. It's the back. She feels cute. But she's one of those, like, this looks like a wig. This looks like a damn wig. She's cute. I'm not mad at it. I'm just not happy with it either. So I'm going to take some powder. I'm actually going to just take my BH Cosmetics powder and it's like no refunds on these fucking things. That's the bad thing about, this is why we watch wig reviews, so we know what not to buy. Take I don't know if anyone else has reviewed it. I don't remember. Yes, I think my girl Nicole from Girl Rates World reviewed this unit. I'm not sure if this color, maybe this color, and I thought it looked so beautiful on her. The lace is ridiculously hard. It's harder than I remember. But I think if I was to wash the unit, I would get a little bit more, you know, softness hopefully out of the lace. She looks really beautiful. Absolutely stunning wig. It is very wiggy, but once I put the part in, it makes it look just a little bit better, you know. Again, this is something I might need to add heat to because I don't want to have to tuck it in all the time. Tuck. But I like the density of this. I feel like this wig will get ratty really quick. So I'm not mad at the price because it's $15. But these wigs were like in the $40, $50, even $60 ranges when they came out. So if Janet Collections has not improved on the quality of their wigs, this is not something I would recommend. Not saying that I don't love Janet Collections, because I do, I really do. Janet Collections is my first wig. I still have mine, but mind you, that's my second unit because the other one got so knotted and ratty. But that one was way more of a yucky texture. This is more of a relaxed yucky. Like, I don't want to paddle brush it, but I feel like I may have to. Oh, okay. Wait, we might not be mad at this afterward. This is giving me more... Okay, this... But see, my thing is once I brush it, I feel like I mess with the integrity of the hair. Like, it just messes it up somehow with Janet Collection wigs. Am I the only one that goes through this? I feel like it's just me, maybe. Maybe it's just me. So let me show you guys all the hair in the front. Sorry, my eyes are getting tired. This is all the hair in the front. It goes to my boobage right here, and I mean, she's cute or whatever, but this right here, you have to keep it turned. If you do this, you're gonna look crazy. So you may want to keep her turned out that way. There we go. This is the Phila unit. I actually really do like her. Not my favorite, but it is the prettier out of the Janet Collection wigs that I already do own. I'm just a little turned off, guys. Does that make any sense? Like, I'm just turned off. Like, I need a pick-me-up, you know? This one's really pretty. I feel like glam in it, but I also, the lace right here is starting to hurt a little bit. Like, a little bit. I could loosen the wig. That might help. Oh, itchy. Yeah, that might help if I loosen the wig a little bit. I mean, but overall, I would love to hear your feedback, what you guys think of this unit. What do you think it looks like on me? If you have this unit, let me know if you like it, if it turned ratty on you, if you feel like it's just right, if you don't like it, if you like it, if you Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Janet Collections Phila wig in the shade OET1B Silver. I hope you guys liked this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.